Hey, what's up? Welcome to Short Snack. This is CSLM20 from JBL. This is an omnidirectional mic with a real-time monitoring headphone attached to it, and it comes with windshield and this is the quality you can expect when you're vlogging. This JBL lavalier mic is pretty usable in many situations. You can use it with your smartphone for vlogging. You can use it with your laptop to take conference calls, Zoom calls, and this is pretty similar to Boya mic, and the price which I got it for is 799 rupees on Amazon. So go ahead and check it out. This is a really good option when you're working from home. That was a quick unboxing and review of JBL CSLM20 lavalier mic. Click that like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.